The Solution Explorer window can be found at the top right of the Visual Studio screen. It displays all of the web pages and other objects that are in your current solution, and allows you to edit them. It also enables you to add files to your project and remove them. When you created My Project in Lesson 1.5, a lot of different files were automatically added to it. In this lesson, you'll learn how to open some of those files and add new files. To begin, open Visual Studio if it isn't open already. And click File, Open Project, navigate to your Sample Files folder, then open My Project, click myproject.sln, and click Open. Alternatively, you can navigate to your Sample Files folder and simply double-click on myproject.sln. You did this in Lesson 1.5. You can now see the Solution Explorer window in the top right of the screen. Find default.aspx in the Solution Explorer and double-click it. This opens the HTML code of default.aspx in the main window, if it wasn't visible already. You can open any file in your project by simply double-clicking it in this way. Don't worry if you don't understand any of this code yet. By the time you've finished this course, you'll completely understand what all of it means. An ASPX file acts as a web page and can be understood by a web browser. You may have noticed some web addresses ending with .aspx while browsing the internet. Default.aspx is normally the home page of a website. Next, you're going to open the code behind file of default.aspx. To do this, expand default.aspx by clicking the small arrow to the left of it in the Solution Explorer. Then double-click default.aspx.cs. This opens the C# code behind file of default.aspx. You won't understand any of this C# code yet, but by the end of this course, it will all make sense to you. Every ASPX file has a code behind file. The code behind files are actually separate files, but they are grouped together by the Solution Explorer for clarity. You can also open the code behind file by right-clicking on default.aspx and then clicking View Code from the shortcut menu. Next, you're going to add a new page to the project. To do this, scroll to the top of the Solution Explorer window, right-click on My Project, and click Add, New Item. Then click Web in the left-hand pane, click Web Form from the central pane. In the name box, enter mypage.aspx and click Add. You have just added a new page to your project. Visual Studio helpfully opens its HTML code for you. You can also see that mypage.aspx has appeared in the Solution Explorer. You'll continue learning about the Solution Explorer window in the next lesson. That's Lesson 1.8. You've now completed Lesson 1.7. Manage a project with the Solution Explorer.